If you want a flaky, buttery sausage rolls that melt in your mouth while eating it, save this recipe so you can always come back to it. Into a bowl, I will add in my plain flour. All ingredients will be on the comment section. Now I will add a pinch of salt, some sugar, and baking powder. I'll mix this all up together and go in with my really cold butter. I'm using 600 grams of butter. So now I'll go in with my hand and mix the butter with the flour into like a breadcrumb texture, and I'll go in and add in my eggs. I'm using 3 eggs for this recipe. And now I'll add in some cold milk. I'll mix them all up together and transfer into my work surface. We're not going to be kneading this dough. We're just going to mix the dough until properly combined, which will just take like a minute or 2. Now I will wrap this dough in with a cling film and leave in the fridge to cool down so the butter will freeze into the dough, which will make this sausage roll so flaky and mouthwatering. Here I've got my sausages, and I'll go in with some spices, which all is also going to be on the comment section. I'll mix the spices in with the sausage, and I'll go in with golden breadcrumbs. This golden breadcrumbs is going to give your sausage that nice texture and make it come out like mouth-watering. I'll mix it all up together and I'll set this aside. Now I'll get the dough out of the fridge and I'll cut into different sizes so I can like roll it out properly. So like if you're in a hurry, you can like leave the dough in the freezer for like 10 to 15 minutes so it like the butter will like get chilled into the dough properly. Now I will spread out the dough. I'll go in with 1 egg yolk and like 2 tablespoons of milk to make my egg wash, and I'll start transferring the mixed sausage into the dough, and I'm going to like wrap this up and make sure like I seal it properly. Add in some egg wash and like roll it out and cut into your desired size. At this point, if you have not saved this recipe and like this video and follow me, I don't know what's like you're thinking about. So I'll cut it into like little size. I'll go in again with my egg wash and use it to brush out on the sausage roll. I'll bake this on a preheated oven on 190 degrees for 40 minutes. You can see how gorgeous, like this sausage roll tasted so good, and like everyone was like asking for this recipe. Make sure you save it.